I know she put the kitty crackers up here, but blast, where are they? Sneaky woman. Does she got a cloak of invisibility? Someone's punked them. Has to be. Mookie, you see those elusive crackers?
What? No, Snicks. Sorry. Crap. Hell'll be mooching here next. Well, farewell, manners. I'm scooping my treats while I can. Yum, yum, yum.
Hey guys, follow me. I know where the shifty humans hide treats. Just down here, and around a couple of bends. Come on then, keep up. Mookie! Snicks! You're trailing!
Puff, slow down, mate. Where you headed? China?
Now, if I can just slip in here. Whoopsie snoogles!
Meowzilla, come help me look. And Possa Nova, you too, get over here.
Off! Yikes! Double yikes!
What's wrong with you three? You drunk? Captain Catnip, what you doing over there?
Well, quite frankly, Snicks, I rather think I'm not needing any more snacks. Having trouble getting out the old front door, you know.
I can help, Snicks. Just going to pop over on my goober.
Thanks, McPounce. Uh-oh, look who's looking for snacks. Drulius Caesar. He'd clean us out.
That's for sure. Don't let him see her.
Count me out, Snicks. My snacks are a lot larger than a box of crackers. Oh.
No worries, Spartacus.
Not me either, Snicks. I'll be looking after myself. Here I go.
Yes, of course, Mr. Eaglebird Humperdinck.